for my destiny.
Who tell you say that they cannot come outside?
Can't wait to come outside this thing.
See, now disappear for disappear committee. You know, say for disappear committee, no go good for you. As you carry this thing come out, so now no make me disappear.
See, Papa, I want to freedom.
You come make me the waka inside the sun.
You know how many years I don't do? I want to freedom.
Who tell say she they give us freedom? Which freedom you want?
I don't wait.
Give me this thing.
You don't know freedom.
I swear if you try me, I will break your teeth. You no go use spiritual. You no go make spiritual. Now read go do this one now. This one now, no be spiritual. You, me, we are teaching you what want me to go. See, you know say before they turn you to act. If you try me now, I must I will turn you to.
Will you keep
I
quiet?
will beat you. I think do freedom for me.
You want to freedom? Oh yeah, follow me. You need to. You go still serve me for 2 years. So before you speak freedom, I have to go.
2 years.
2 years.
2 years go give me my freedom.
2 years.
Now you see my destiny over that shit. I want to
Go, your destiny is there. Go.
My destiny is
I say, follow me.